Welcome back. You are watching Pavitra Path. In the last episode, we learned how breaking promises leads to moral failure. Today's verses explain another serious issue. They talk about rejecting messengers, jealousy towards guidance, misusing knowledge for desire. These verses help us standard why some people reject truth even when it is clear. Let us begin calmly. Allah sent many messengers to guide the children of Israel. Each messenger came with truth, clear signs and guidance. But acceptance requires humility. These verses explain how pride and jealousy block guidance. This message applies to all people, not only to one group. Verse 87, Rejection of Messengers. Allah reminds them that many messengers were sent, some were accepted, some were rejected, some were harmed. This shows a pattern. Truth was judged by desire, not sincerity. Rejecting messengers means rejecting guidance itself. Verse 88, Claiming closed hearts. Some claimed, Our hearts are covered. This was not a fact, it was an excuse. Their hearts were closed because of rejection, not because of lack of truth. Repeated refusal says understanding. Verse 89, Rejecting truth out of jealousy. They recognized the truth when it came, but jealousy stopped acceptance. They did not want guidance to come through someone else. This shows pride can overpower knowledge. Verse 90, A bad exchange. They sold guidance for rejection. They choose anger and loss over mercy and peace. This verse warns, rejecting truth knowingly is a serious choice. Verse 91, Accepting some and rejecting some. Some said, We believe in what was sent to us, but they rejected later guidance. Truth cannot be divided. Accepting guidance means accepting it fully. Verse 92, Clear signs ignored. Even after clear signs, some still rejected truth. Signs do not benefit those who choose denial. Guidance needs willingness. Verse 93, Pride over obedience. When commanded to obey, they responded with resistance. Pride entered the heart. This shows pride blocks obedience even when truth is known. Verses 94 to 96, Love of worldly life. These verses expose a deep issue. Some claimed closeness to Allah but feared death. Why? Because they were attached to worldly life. True faith removes fear of meeting Allah. Truth requires humility. Knowledge without sincerity fails. Jealousy blocks guidance. Selective belief is not belief. Attachment to the world weakness. Faith. Accept truth even if it challenges pride. Do not reject guidance due to jealousy. Use knowledge honestly. Detach from unhealthy love of the world. Prepare for accountability. These lessons protect the heart. These verses explain why people reject clear guidance. The reasons are not lack of signs, but pride, jealousy, and desire. The Quran calls humans to sincerity and humility. This was episode 14, Surah Al-Baqarah verses 87 to 96. In the next episode, we will study verses 97 to 103, which speak about revelation, misunderstanding and false practices. Stay connected with Pavitra Path. Peace and goodness to you.